The 2026 Royal Enfield Himalayan Mana Black walks into frame like a midnight rally, all stealthy matte blacks with slate gray accents and a rugged, purposeful stance. This edition dresses the Himalayan in a dark, high-contrast livery that's more than cosmetic. The palette and subtle gray camo nod directly to the Mana Pass, the remote high-altitude route in northern India. The result is a bike that looks built to disappear into storm clouds and then reappear ready for the next off-grid road. Where the Mana Black really earns its name is in the details. Royal Enfield has added optional factory-fitted black adventure bits. Think black rally dual-seat options, black rally handguards, rally mudguard, and wire-spoke tubeless tires as part of the package. Those factory accessories give the Mana Black a true out-of-the-box expedition personality rather than a dealer-fitted look. Under the bodywork, it's still the capable Himalayan 450 heart you expect, but dialed towards serious adventure. The 452cc single-cylinder mill puts out factory-rated figures in the 40 PS and 40 Nm neighborhood, married to ride-by-wire and refined electronics for better throttle mapping and riding mode behavior. The chassis keeps the long travel Showa USD fork and monoshock setup, 21-inch front, 17-inch rear spoke wheels and a 17-liter tank, a practical blend of comfort, fuel range and off-road control. On the tech and safety front, the Mana Black brings switchable ABS, multiple ride modes, navigation assist, and Bluetooth connectivity, all helpful when you're following a breadcrumb track at altitude or switching between slab and street. How does it stack up price-wise? Royal Enfield launched the Mana Black in India at 3.37 lakh rupees, ex-showroom, and the company has already listed European pricing at €6,600 in Italy and £6,400 in the UK. Confirming this as a slightly premium, well-equipped special edition rather than a low-cost paint job. If Royal Enfield brings it to the US and the Philippines, we'd expect a markup for import and compliance. Roughly $7,000 to $7,500 in the US and about 400,000 to 450,000 pesos in the Philippines is a realistic ballpark, depending on taxes and local distribution. Bottom line, the Himalayan Mana Black is a handsome, adventure-ready special that wears its inspiration boldly, a blacked-out tribute to Mana Pass that actually comes with the hardware to justify the look. If you want a Himalayan that's immediately photo-ready for high-altitude runs and already prepped with useful accessories, this one's a strong contender.